Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. Let's get started. So, first of all, if FaceTime is already open, close it completely. Swipe up to open the app switcher and then swipe FaceTime off the screen. Now reopen FaceTime and then try again. If that does not work, swipe down from the top right hand side to open the control center and make sure airplane mode is off. If airplane mode is on, FaceTime will not work. After that, open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, then tap on Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If your time is wrong, FaceTime may not connect. Now head back to Settings again, and then use the search bar to search for FaceTime. Simply tap onto it, and inside here, make sure FaceTime is turned on. If it's already turned on, turn it off, wait for a second, and then turn it back again. Also, if you have any calling filter like silence unknown caller turned on, you can turn that off just in case. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.